Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quartz points earrings. So for the top, we're going to use stainless steel components, and for the bottom, we're going to use these quartz points that have an AB finish on them. So for the first part of this, we're going to want to create this across the bottom. So I'm going to take my wire here, and I'm going to bend it at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to go back in on that angle and bend it around until I have a little loop. Then I'm going to take my loop and I'm going to coil it back around a few times, and then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. Next, I'm going to string on my quartz points. So for this, I'm gonna try and find ones that kind of match what I already have going on over here in size and length. And I'm gonna use 5 pieces. And they don't have to be exactly the same, but you know, it's nice if you can get them kind of close. So now I'm going to string these on and actually see how they look on the wire. And I'm going to look at it all together and see how I feel about it. I think they actually look really nice together, and that will work. I want to make sure it's about where I want it to be here, and it is. So now I'm going to put my pliers as close to the bead as I can, and I'm going to bend it away from me, making a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top. I'm going to bend it around and make a loop. And then I'm going to hold my loop and I'm going to coil this back around until it touches the bead and makes everything nice and tight. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I've got 4mm jump rings, and I'm going to attach those, use these to attach the points to the component. So I'm going to take a pair of pliers and I'm going to gently twist this open. I'm going to put on the point, put on the component, and gently close it back together. I'm just going to work that back and forth until it's perfect. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So these are open jump rings. They have a little slit on them. So you want to find the slit and then you want to twist it open. Put a pair of pliers on either side and gently twist open. So I'm going to put this on here and string this through here. And I'm going to close that up. And they're attached. I'm going to take my ear wire. I'm going to twist open this. I'm going to string this on, move that back into place, and there you go. So these are more of a horseshoe shape, and these are more of a half circle shape. And everything I used is stainless, which I love because it's all non-tarnish. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.